STI stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. So Solidion Technology stock has gone up 70% on Friday, and that's just some very good performance. But let's look at it from the last week. 86% gains. And yeah, I mean, definitely started putting in some crazy good numbers. Now, before I dug in this deeper, I have done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, and I've spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships. And even on that, like on top of it, I'm still actually quite bullish on STI. Like, if you can't tell, I have lines pointing towards the upside with my targets, but I'm obviously not going to buy unless I see a proper shift. So what does that mean? It means that now on the 5-minute chart, this is like what the minute chart that I prefer, 5-minute. If I see that double break, then and only then I'll take things up. And I will stick by it, you know. I'm going to wait, and if the rules are not met, then I'm just not going to trade this market. Simple as that. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.